As detailed in the Rockwool Builder's Guide, this installation video will take you from the foundation wall through the above grade wall, an interior and exterior corner, a vent penetration, and installation up to the soffit.
My work area has been primed. I'm going to install the salvagear membrane for this project. I'm choosing to use a foil face membrane, and I'm going to start here. I'm going to carry on where I had left off last time and bring this around. We have it clipped, the insulation set. We're going to go over the flashing installation. So what I'll do is I'll continue where I left off below the window and work my way around with the flashings. Now I'm going to make my air seal transfer. I can prevent air from blowing under the flashing. And you will notice that the peel and stick sits about 1 inch up from the metal here. I've made the transition from foundation to the wood framing. I can start with the sheathing membrane on my wall. Okay, I'm going to now take care of the outside corner and inside corner pre-stripping. Because we have a starter that runs behind the roof assembly, it's difficult to get the membrane in behind your inside and outside corners. So you can slip stripping up in underneath them, and then we can fill in the field accordingly, and we'll be done with that. First step is I have an adapter which is going to integrate into the sheathing membrane and become part of the air barrier. I'm going to mount this at the opening that is in the wall sheathing right now, and the sheathing membrane has been cut out around that opening. Okay, I've installed a sealant on the back side of the plate. Take note the orientation of the vent. It's installed in the shape of a diamond. There will be tape and an apron installed above this. Okay, I'm going to install the apron over top of the vent penetration. Your minimal vertical lap, typically with a sheathing membrane, should be around 6 inches. I brought it 6 inches past. This is the apron over top of the vent penetration. The bottoms are all left open. It's simply there as a redundant element for any moisture that may come will come outboard. It's time to install the Roxol comfort board on the corner. I'm going to start and finish this side, install the bottom, install the top. I'll finish the Roxol board flush to the corner, and I'll carry the next board out and beyond to make a fully insulated corner. I'm going to start installing on the bottom now. I'm going to install the second plate, and then I'm going to install rod and caulking in here. I'm going to continue the Roxol Comfort Board IS installation. We've currently stopped at the soffit line, but thermal continuity requires that on an exterior installation we carry this right up to the top plates, which are behind the soffit area. That's it. That takes us through this vent assembly. Okay, I will install the bug screen at the base of the wall. This is the perforated stainless steel sheet metal, which I bent to suit. On the other direction, you see how I've closed off the corner. I have continuous bug screen, okay? If this was to represent your cladding, you would simply install and leave this reveal at the top between your soffit. This will allow the air to escape. Important, do not vent your range screen walls directly into your soffits.
Now that we have finished installing the insulation and strapping, we would proceed with the cladding and trim for the details provided in the Rockwool Comfort Board IS Builder's Guide.